Let's have a look at a move known as Kai Tai Chi, which basically means open or start Tai Chi. It starts here with the hands in a little circle over the lower belly, and then you relax and connect the fingers with the ground. Pull up from the top of the head, relax and turn over, pull up from the top of the head, and then the hands come down the front to the hips, open up and soften the hips and sinking. So coming together again, collecting chi, dantian, like a battery for your chi, and relax and connect with the ground, pull up from the top of the head. So here you really want to relax through the shoulders, through the fingers and into the ground. Here my legs straighten, my arms come up to horizontal, and I relax the chest, relax the shoulders and turn the hands palm up. Then I pull up from the top of the head. Hands come to above the head, shoulders are relaxed in the sockets, don't let them come up around the ears. And then coming down the front of the body to the hips, open up and soften the hips and sinking. Collect chi at dantian, connect with the ground, pull up from the top of the head, legs straightening and you reach the horizontal, relax and turn over, and drawing up from the top of the head. And coming down the front now to the hips, open up and soften. So at this point my hands turn out so the fingers are facing forwards and my hips open and soften like I'm about to sit down on a chair. We're going to finish with a bow. So you step back, one foot and the other foot, and then the mudra looks like this. You want to put your thumb to the stem of the ring finger in this hand. Put your thumb through the front of that hole. Close these fingers over this thumb and this hand over that hand. Makes a little yin-yang symbol like this. So if that mudra is new to you, you can just keep the hands there. I'm going to hinge over, just relaxing down. And then you rise up, pulling up from the top of the head, and this brings the hands with it. And hinging over once more. All right. Thanks very much for training with me today. Next time we're going to be looking at mud walking, which takes the body principles we learn in standing stake and then starts to walk and move with it. See you next time.